Here's something most people have no idea about. Over 70% of tropical trees wouldn't even exist without animals, because the only way their seeds travel is when something eats them, throws them, buries them, or, well, drops them from the other end. Yep, entire forests depend on animals doing their normal everyday business. What looks like random animal behavior is actually one of the most advanced seed distribution systems on Earth. And once you see how it works, you'll never look at a forest the same way again. Welcome to Untamed Vibes. Today, we're diving into the secret life of forests, how these incredible ecosystems grow, spread, and thrive. All thanks to a tiny but mighty cast of characters. And yes, some of them are animals who basically double as nature's gardeners. Ever wondered how a vast forest can grow from just a handful of seeds? It's not magic. It's a complex system perfected over millions of years. Seeds travel across rivers, through the wind, and yes, sometimes hitch a ride inside a bird or mammal. Imagine a deer casually walking through the forest, totally unaware it's dropping the next generation of oak trees behind it. That's nature multitasking at its finest. So how do seeds even move? Nature has three main tricks up its sleeve. Wind-blown seeds, like dandelions or maple helicopters, can travel hundreds of feet, sometimes even kilometers, before finding the perfect spot to sprout. Water dispersal carries seeds along rivers and streams, dropping them downstream where new plants can thrive. And then there's the animal-assisted method. Birds, squirrels, monkeys, and even tiny insects carry seeds far and wide. Basically, animals are the Uber drivers of the plant world. No tips required. Animals aren't just cute faces in the forest. They're part-time farmers. Birds gobble berries, fly miles away, and poof, seeds are deposited in a completely new location, complete with fertilizer. Thanks, birds. Squirrels bury nuts as snacks for later, but forget some of them. Guess what? Those forgotten nuts grow into new trees. Imagine leaving snacks in your backyard and accidentally starting a forest. Squirrels just did it. Talk about accidental landscaping. Even bigger animals like elephants play a role. They consume fruits and carry seeds in their guts, sometimes for dozens of miles. When they deposit those seeds, they're basically planting an entire orchard with every step. Nature really knows how to recycle.
But not every seed makes it. Forests are picky. Seeds need the right amount of sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow. Some seeds remain dormant for months, even years, until conditions are perfect. Others get eaten. Yes, survival of the fittest applies to plants too. This is why having a variety of dispersal methods is crucial. By spreading seeds in different ways, nature ensures that at least some of them survive to grow into mature plants. It's like nature's insurance policy, with a touch of suspense. Forests don't grow alone. They're a team effort. Some ants help seeds by carrying them to their nests, where the seeds benefit from the nutrient-rich environment. Fungi form underground networks connecting trees, sharing nutrients, and even communicating stress signals, kind of like the forest's own internet. Animals and plants are part of a massive interconnected web. It's teamwork at a scale so big it can take centuries to fully appreciate. So next time you walk in the forest, remember, everyone has a job. Even the tiniest critter contributes. Humans also play a role, for better or worse. Deforestation disrupts natural seed dispersal, but reforestation projects, seed bombing, and planting native trees can restore balance. By understanding how nature's seed system works, we can help forests recover, and maybe even take a leaf out of the animal's book. Literally. So next time you toss a seed or plant a tree, remember, you're joining a network that's been growing for millions of years.
Bonus segment: hidden seed strategies you've never heard of. Before we wrap up, there's a part of nature's seed system that most people never hear about. And honestly, it's too amazing not to include. Forests don't just depend on animals to spread seeds. Some plants have evolved incredibly strange strategies to make sure their seeds travel, survive, and outsmart everything around them. Plants that bribe ants. Some seeds come with a tiny food attachment called an elaiosome. To ants, this is basically a free snack delivery. Ants carry the seed back to their nest, eat the snack, and then toss the actual seed into their underground waste pile. That waste pile happens to be moist, protected, and nutrient-rich, making it the perfect spot for a seed to grow. This process is called myrmecochory. In simple terms, plants trick ants into running a secret underground nursery. Birds that transport seeds across large distances. Fruit-eating birds like hornbills, pigeons, and toucans don't just spread seeds, they relocate them across entire ecosystems. Many seeds actually germinate better after passing through a bird's digestive system because the acids help weaken the seed coat. So yes, some forests are technically grown by bird digestion. Nature uses every system possible. Monkeys as accidental forest engineers. Monkeys don't plant trees on purpose, but their daily habits change forests more than we realize. They drop half-eaten fruit, carry seeds to areas other animals can't reach, and yes, sometimes spread seeds in their poop, giving them a nutrient-packed start. Studies show spider monkeys move more seeds than most birds and small mammals combined. They might be chaotic, but they're helpful chaos. Seeds that wait for the perfect moment. Some seeds don't grow right away. They can wait in the soil for years or even decades until conditions are just right. They wait for perfect moisture, temperature, or sunlight openings caused by fallen trees. Some species even require fire before they can germinate. These seeds stay dormant until nature hits the start button. Trees that shoot their seeds. Some plants don't rely on animals at all. They rely on pure explosive force. Plants with ballistic seed pods build up tension as they dry. When ready, they snap open and launch seeds meters away. It's the plant equivalent of saying, "I don't need help, I am the catapult." Witch hazel, sandbox trees, and wild pea relatives all use this method.
Elephants as ecosystem movers. Elephants spread some of the largest seeds on Earth. Because they travel long distances, elephants help move seeds across massive areas, maintaining genetic diversity in forests. Their digestive system also gives seeds a nutrient-rich boost. Think of elephants as slow, gentle tree-planting machines. The forest works as one big team. All these strategies, ants, birds, monkeys, elephants, explosive pods, and dormant seeds layer together to keep forests alive. No single method is enough on its own. Forests survive storms, fires, droughts, and even changes in animal populations because nature built multiple systems working at once. Once you understand these hidden systems, every walk in the forest feels different. You're not just seeing trees, you're watching a perfectly choreographed performance powered by plants, animals, and a surprising amount of organized chaos. So, there you have it. Forests aren't just trees standing still. They're alive, dynamic, and constantly growing thanks to the intricate work of nature and the animals who help along the way. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what facts you learned today. I hope you learned something new in this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay curious, stay wild, and stay untamed.